What is the average cost of tree removal in Valley Springs, California? Tree removal costs can vary depending on size and complexity, but most jobs in Valley Springs typically range from about $300 up to around $1,500 for a standard removal. Small trees are at the lower end, and bigger or harder to access ones can be higher. On average, many homeowners see prices roughly between $400 and $1,600, factoring in tree height and location. These estimates usually cover basic cutting and cleanup, but additional services like stump grinding or emergency removal will raise the total. Getting a few local quotes helps you know what's fair for your yard and tree size. If you have any questions, contact Lone Pine Tree Service. Address: 8867 Rosemary Drive, Valley Springs, CA 95252. Phone number: 209-371-7873. Website: lonepinetreeservice.com. If this helped, like the video, share it with a neighbor, and subscribe for more local home and yard tips. Thanks for watching.